This is a basic review of benefits. Please refer to your bargaining unit contract, which will be sent in your packet along with this benefit sheet. Your workday working hours. This is a 7.5-hour workday with a half-hour duty-free lunch. Your start and end times will be provided at your final hire meeting. Work year. 188 days for employees in their first year, 187 days for the second year on. You will be provided a work calendar at your final hire meeting. Starting salary. The starting salary is listed in the job posting. Anyone who starts after the first day of the school year will have their salary prorated. This will be reviewed at your final hire meeting. For the benefits, anything listed with an asterisk, you must put in a 60-day workday probationary period before the benefits will begin. This date will be determined at your final hire meeting when the start date is established. Please check your contract for premium share amounts that will be deducted from your pay once health coverage begins. Number 1, the health insurance. This is a Capital Blue Cross PPO plan for single or family coverage. There is a $500 individual and $1,000 family deductible each calendar year. $20 for doctor visits, $30 for specialist, $45 for urgent care, $100 for the emergency room, waived if you are admitted. Number 2, dental insurance. This is a United Concordia plan for single or family coverage. Each person gets $1,500 in dental coverage per calendar year. If you go to a dentist who is not a participating dentist, you must pay anything that is charged beyond what United Concordia allows for each procedure. There is orthodontics for children under the age of 18, 80% maximum, not to exceed $2,500 per child. Prescription drug. If you take your prescription to the retail pharmacy, it will be $10 for generics, $20 for brand name. Express Scripts is our mail order provider for maintenance drugs. They will fill it in a 90-day supply. The costs are $15 for 90 days of generics, $30 for 90 days of brand name drugs. They also offer auto refill. Please utilize the mail-in for your maintenance drugs. Since we are self-insured, it helps save us and helps to keep our drug costs down. Number 4 is the vision benefit. It is a $200 allotment each year that runs July to June for the employee only. This may be used for vision expenses such as glasses, contact lenses, eye examinations. Use the National Vision Form on the Health Forms section for reimbursement. Number 5, term life insurance is provided at $50,000 at no cost to the employee. Number 6, sick leave, prorated on 10 days per year and is cumulative. 4 days may be used for family illness. Sick days may be taken in half-day or whole-day increments. 3 consecutive days or more requires a doctor's note in order to return. The amount of sick days will be confirmed at your final hire meeting. Number 7, personal leave, prorated on 3 days per year. Cumulative in that 2 of the days may be carried over to the next school year with a maximum of 5 days permissible each year. It is very important to remember that personal days are whole days only. The first 10 days, last 10 days of the school year, and days before and after holidays must be requested in writing and approved by the supervisor. You will use the online form through KissFlow to make such a request. The request must be made 15 working days in advance. The number of personal days awarded will be confirmed at your final hire meeting. Number 8, the sick leave rebate is for positions in clusters 7 and 7A only. In order to be eligible for this rebate, you must work the entire school year. $25 per day for each unused day granted at the start of the school year will be awarded. The days will also roll over to the following school year. Number 9, perfect attendance payment. Again, for clusters 7 and 7A only. In order to be eligible, you must work the entire school year. $350 will be given in addition to the sick leave rebate for the 10 days. These days also will roll over to the following school year. Number 10 is bereavement leave. That is awarded right away. Please refer to pages 7 through 8 in the contract for the relationship and the number of allotted days. If it is a situation where more than one day is allotted, the days must be taken consecutively. Number 11, jury duty. That is another benefit you would be awarded right away. Your wages will be paid while on jury duty. In exchange, you must pay the IU for any compensation received to serve on jury duty. You will keep the travel. Please consult your staff information book on the procedure for notifying the Human Resources Office regarding your notice to serve on jury duty. Travel reimbursement. Any mileage on your personal automobile for IU business will be reimbursed at the IRS rate that is set January each year. Complete the online travel voucher for 10-month employees, which is located in the KISS-Flow forms. Number 13 is a course reimbursement. This will cover employees who are pursuing a special education teacher certification or a job-related mental health degree. $600 per school year is reimbursed towards the tuition. The coursework pre-approval request through the KISS-Flow form must be submitted prior to the start of the course and early enough to allow for administrative approval. 2 weeks prior is considered an acceptable timeline. Pre-approvals received and dates stamped after the start date of the course will not be approved, and the tuition cost will be the responsibility of the employee. There is a payback provision in the event of resignation, which is all outlined in the contract. The Income Protection Plan, number 14, is a short-term disability. If you are out ill a minimum of 10 consecutive working days and have run out of all your paid days, sick and personal, and you still need to be out ill, you may qualify for income protection at $60 per day, not to exceed 187 working days. Should you use such a benefit, it would be available again in 3 years, and you must meet the eligibility conditions. To be eligible for this benefit, you must work at least 1 year prior to the leave date, and within that 1 year have worked 1,250 hours. Number 15 is an early retirement benefit for health insurance. If you have reached age 55, have 25 years working in the public education retirement system, and have worked 15 years for the IU, you may retire, and the IU will pay 75% of your monthly health care for 10 years. Number 16 is a sick day rebate at retirement. Members of the ESPA contract are eligible for this retirement if they meet these conditions, with the exception of clusters 7 and 7A. Those benefits are granted on an annual basis, as previously discussed. But for the remainder, for this sick day rebate at retirement, if you have reached age 55, have 25 years working in the public education retirement system, and have worked 15 years for the IU, you will receive $50 for each accumulated sick day at your retirement. Number 17 is a voluntary tax sheltered annuity 403B. This is not your normal PSERS retirement. This is a secondary retirement plan and is an excellent opportunity for you to create a second retirement account through payroll deduction. Information is available on the intranet under the payroll forms. This concludes the summary of benefits. Please review your sheet again and also read through your bargaining unit contract. Thank you.